Hi, welcome to all of you. In this course video, I am going to explain you about the automatic purchase order creation in SAP. So I will be explaining you that why it is required or how it can be done in SAP. So the benefit of having the automatic purchase order creation is like whenever you are doing the good receipt in SAP system, then system will create the purchase order automatically. The business requirement can be like this, like suppose if you are receiving the materials for which you are not having any idea while creating the purchase order that what quantity is coming into the system, then at that moment you can use this functionality of automatic purchase order creation. The advantages of this feature is like workload can be reduced of purchasing department and delivery of those materials for which quantity cannot be determined in the system while creating the purchase order. So whenever you are doing the good receipt, then system will generate the purchase order automatically into the system. So let me just tell you the prerequisites required for this particular feature. Like we need to assign some setting in the backend. Like we have to assign the standard purchasing organization to plant. Then we have to define a default document type for the purchase order. Then we have to set up the moment type settings for the auto PO setup. Then the second thing should be like material should be evaluated and purchase info record with valid condition record should be there into the system. So these are the following transaction codes which we are going to use in this particular course video. Like SPR is for configuration, material master and vendor master I have already explained. Info record is MB11, MB12, MB13. Goods receipt is MB01 and MyGo. For displaying the purchase order is MB23N and displaying the document is MB03. I will be explaining you one more feature of having the auto PO from purchase requisition. So the transaction code for creating the purchase order from purchase requisition is ME59N. So after doing the prerequisite checks and running these running these transactions, we will be able to achieve the auto PO creation in SAP. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.